Alright, here we have the new injectors. We're going to get those ready for installation, but we're not putting them in yet. We got a ways to go. First thing you want to do, take your little retainer, slide it on there, take your gasket, put it on there. Take your little ring here. This one's got a lot of corrosion in it. Then you want to put that on there. When you put those on, kind of line them up where these two holes are dead center with the injector plug-in. That way when you go to install it, it looks cleaner, and all you got to do is put it in the correct direction so that your wiring harness goes to it. And then when you put these little things on the ends here, you're going to put those on before you install them. They'll go like that. And there you go. That's a fully assembled injector. All you got to do now is put it in the vehicle. I'd suggest a little bit of silicone spray on this ring right here before you install it. That way it slides in there nice and easy, doesn't tear up the little rubber seal there. Alright.